Hey there, radicals! Ever wondered what it would be like to transition to a raw vegan lifestyle? It's like embarking on a journey of self-discovery where you're not just eating differently, but living differently. Now, I'm not a professional medical practitioner or nutritionist, just a passionate advocate of the raw vegan lifestyle who has experienced its transformative powers firsthand. The raw vegan lifestyle is all about consuming fresh, unprocessed, and mostly organic fruits and vegetables. It's a step up from veganism, where you abstain from animal products, but still consume cooked and processed foods. Going raw means you're getting your nutrition from the purest, most natural sources. Now, why would you want to do this, you ask? Well, the benefits are endless. For starters, it's great for your health. It can help you lose weight and belly fat, improve your digestion, boost your energy levels, and even clear up your skin. But it's not just about physical health. It's also about mental and emotional well-being. You see, when you fill your body with pure, clean, live plant food, you're also feeding your mind and soul. My own journey to a raw vegan lifestyle was a game changer. I had always been health conscious, but it wasn't until I embraced raw veganism that I truly began to feel vibrant and alive. I felt more connected to my body, more in tune with nature, and happier than ever before. But remember, this is not a one-size-fits-all solution. We're all unique, with different bodies, different needs, and different health goals. That's why it's so important to listen to your body and follow your guts and intuition. As we dive into this journey, remember, these are general guidelines and individual healthcare needs may differ. This is not about depriving yourself or following a strict set of rules. It's about making choices that nourish and support you at your own pace, in your own time. And who knows, you might just find that this is the lifestyle you've been searching for. Transitioning to a raw vegan lifestyle might seem daunting, but with these steps, it can be a smooth and rewarding journey. The first step is to clean up your space. Remove all the processed foods from your kitchen and replace them with fresh, organic fruits and vegetables. This act of decluttering will create a conducive environment for your new lifestyle. The next step is to team up. Find a friend or family member who's also interested in the raw vegan lifestyle and embark on this journey together. Having someone to share your wins and challenges with can make the process much more enjoyable. Another step is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential, especially when consuming high-fiber foods. It aids digestion and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Step 4. Develop a snacking strategy. Carry around a bag of nuts, seeds, or fresh fruits to curb your cravings and avoid reaching for unhealthy alternatives. Step 5. Listen to your body. It knows what it needs. If you're feeling hungry, eat. If you're feeling tired, rest. This lifestyle is about nourishing your body, not punishing it. Step 6. Don't be shy to make a public declaration about your new lifestyle. Sharing your goals with others can provide you with the motivation to stay on track. Step 7. Be kind to yourself. Changing dietary habits is challenging, and it's okay to have setbacks. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Step 8. Plan your produce. Make a list of all the fruits and vegetables you enjoy and incorporate them into your meals. Variety is the spice of life after all. Step 9. Reserve your produce. Learn how to store your fruits and vegetables correctly to maintain their freshness and nutritional value. Step 10. Meal prep made easy. Dedicate a couple of hours each week to prepare your meals. This will save you time and make your transition smoother. Step 11. Eat what you love. If you enjoy a particular fruit or vegetable, incorporate it into your meals. Eating should be a joy, not a chore. Step 12. Curate your feed and feed your mind. Follow raw vegan influencers and read up on the lifestyle. Knowledge is power. Connect with like-minded people. Join online communities like the Raw Fam on Patreon or local groups of raw vegans. Their support and advice can be invaluable. Finally, make gradual changes. It's okay to take your time. Every step you take towards a raw vegan lifestyle is a step towards better health. Remember, transitioning to a raw vegan lifestyle isn't a race or a competition. It's about making conscious choices every day for your well-being. Are you up for a challenge? How about the 21 Days Raw Challenge? It's a journey of transformation where for 21 days, you'll consume nothing but fresh, organic fruits and vegetables. It might sound daunting at first, but let me assure you, it's an exciting adventure towards a healthier you. This challenge is not just about losing belly fat naturally, although that can be a welcome side effect. It's a holistic approach to wellness, an invitation to reconnect with nature and tune in to the rhythm of your body. It's about learning to listen to what your body truly needs and nourishing it with vibrant living foods. What makes this challenge even more special is the support system it provides. You're not just embarking on this journey alone. You'll be part of a community of like-minded individuals who are also taking the plunge into the raw vegan lifestyle. They'll be there to cheer you on, share their experiences, and offer encouragement when the going gets tough. To guide you through this journey, grab a copy of the 21 Days Raw Planner. It's a handy tool that helps you plan your meals, track your progress, and stay on course. If you're looking for year-long support, consider joining the Raw Fam membership on Patreon. This platform provides you with valuable lessons on wellness, from what to eat to how to grow your own food at home. It's a treasure trove of resources designed to support you on your raw vegan journey, beyond the 21 Days Challenge. So, are you ready to take the plunge? Your journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you starts here. As we draw the curtains on this enlightening discourse, let's take a quick recap of what we've learned. We kicked off with the awakening, the why and how of embracing the raw vegan lifestyle. We unraveled the steps to a smooth transition from cleaning up your space to staying hydrated to adopting a snacking strategy and the all-important practice of listening to your body. We spoke about the power of a public declaration, the kindness you owe yourself during this journey, and the importance of planning and preserving your produce. We also touched on meal prepping, eating what you love, curating your feed for the right influences, and connecting with like-minded people. We then delved into the remarkable 21-Day Raw Challenge, a journey of transformation where you consume nothing but fresh, organic fruits and vegetables. It's about having an accountability partner and a cheering squad. And that's exactly what the challenge offers. Remember, your health is your wealth. It's not about perfection, but making conscious choices every day for your well-being. It's about gradual changes, not overnight miracles. And most importantly, it's about listening to your body, because no one else knows you better than you do. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to us and helps us to continue providing you with valuable content. Until next time, raw love my radicals.